Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're taking a look at Viewmax.io and answering a simple question. Is it still worth using in 2026? AI video generators are becoming more popular than ever, especially for creators making faceless content. But does Viewmax actually deliver? So let's go through it step by step. If you visit the Viewmax website, you'll see that it offers three paid plans: basic, professional, and creator. The displayed prices are based on annual billing, while monthly subscribers cost a little more. Higher tier plans unlock additional features and larger usage limits. You can also scroll down to find a comparison of each plan along with FAQ section if you want more details. To get started, click Create Account in the top right corner and register with Google or an email address. After signing in, you'll reach the dashboard. You can explore the available tools, but exporting videos requires an active subscription. Without a paid plan, you're limited to testing the platform. So what exactly does Viewmax.io do? It's an AI-powered content creation platform designed mainly for short-form videos. It can combine your own clips with AI-generated scenes using models such as Kling 3.0, while also providing script writing, automatic captions, voiceovers, and editing features in one workspace. Instead of being just an AI video generator, it aims to handle most of the content creation process from start to finish. Inside the platform, you'll find tools such as the AI video generator, AI ad generator, image generator, scriptwriter, influencer templates, ad cloner, voiceover, video downloader, and several others. The menu on the left gives you quick access to each feature, while the main dashboard is where you manage your projects and create new videos. One thing to keep in mind is that trial users can generate short previews, but exporting isn't available unless you subscribe. The platform also recommends creating videos in short 4 to 8-second clips and combining them afterward instead of generating long scenes in a single prompt. User experiences are mixed. Some creators say Viewmax has helped them produce content much faster and scale their workflow, while others mention inconsistent outputs, prompts not being followed accurately, wasted credits, slow processing, or customer support that wasn't very responsive. There have also been reports of unexpected billing, so it's worth reviewing your subscription carefully. Overall, it appears to be a legitimate service, but results can vary depending on the type of content you are creating. If your goal is to make simple, fast paced short videos, Viewmax can be a useful option. However, if you're planning to create polished long form content, you may run into its limitations more quickly. My recommendation is to start with a smaller plan, test the workflow yourself, and only upgrade once you're confident it fits your needs. Before wrapping up, it's also worth mentioning that Viewmax supports several AI models, including Kling 3.0, Sora, Grok Imagine, and Veo 3.1 Lite, along with additional models that are available within the platform. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.